Hello, Diamond Yogis. Welcome back. My name is Lillian, and today I have a 10-minute body detox flow for you. It's going to aid in digestion and increase your energy levels. Let's begin in Sphinx pose. Let's begin in Sphinx pose. Lie on your belly and stack your elbows directly underneath your shoulders. Press your forearms down into the mat and find some length in the spine, opening your heart space up towards the sky. Pause here for 3 breaths. Find your cobra pose. Bring your fingertips towards the outside edges of your mat. Inhale, lift your heart space up towards the sky for a baby back bend. Exhale, lower the heart space down. Inhale, expand, lift up. Exhale, soften the chest and the belly down. Last time, inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Press back into child's pose. Big toes touch, knees about hip width distance apart. Soften the chest and belly down. Forehead rests on the mat. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Noticing how on the inhale the chest and the belly rise, and on the exhale they fall. Come up into a knee stand. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, bring your hands to prayer over your heart and twist towards your right. Open the arms into a T and look back towards your right thumb. Find your exalted knee stand, grab a hold of the right heel with your right hand, and lift the left arm up and overhead. For exalted knee stand, take a deep breath in through the nose, and exhale through the mouth. Cartwheel the hands down to the mat, coming into tabletop position. And we'll take thread the needle. Inhale, lift the right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it through, bringing your head and shoulder to the mat. Press the left palm into the floor for a deeper stretch. Inhale through the nose, and on the exhale, come back into a neutral tabletop position. Find your balancing table, engage the glute, extend the right leg, hovering so that it's parallel to the mat, and extend the left arm in front of you. Pause here, hold for 3, 2, 1. And release. Keep the right leg extended and find your supported side plank. Pivot the left leg, using it as a kickstand. Reach the right arm up and overhead. Engage the obliques. Release, come back into tabletop. Bring the right foot forward towards the top of the mat for your low lunge. Check to make sure your knee is stacked directly above the ankle. Find some length in the spine. Tuck the back toes and send the right foot back to meet the left, lifting your tailbone up towards the sky for downward facing dog. And paddle out your dog, bending the right knee and bending the left knee, alternating from side to side. Find stillness here in downward facing dog. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, lower the knees down, come into a tabletop position. Press up into a knee stand and extend both arms up and overhead. Bring your hands into a prayer position over your heart and twist to the left. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And on the exhale, extend the arms into an open T position. Pause here. Staying in your twist, reach back to grab a hold of the left heel with the left hand and reach the right arm up and overhead for an exalted knee stand. Press the pelvis forward and send your gaze down to the back corner of your mat. Windmill the hands forward, coming into a tabletop position, and prepare for thread the needle. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Exhale, thread it through, bringing your head and shoulder down to the mat. For a deeper stretch, press your right palm down into the mat. Pause here and hold for 3 breaths. Twists can have many benefits, including improved flexibility, digestion, and circulation. They can also help with stress, balance, and mental clarity. Press back up into a tabletop position and prepare for balancing table. Activate the left glutes and hover the left leg so that it is parallel to your mat. Extend the right arm in front of you, balancing table. In your balancing table, you want to roll your left hip down towards the mat, keeping both hips parallel, and hold for 3, 2, 1, release. Keep the left leg extended and find your supported side plank. Use your right leg as a kickstand, swivel it so that the foot is along the long edge of your mat, and reach your left arm up and overhead. This is your supported side plank. Pause here, making sure to engage the obliques. And hold for 3, 2, and 1. Release. Come back into neutral tabletop position. Prepare for low lunge on the left side. Bring the left foot forward towards the top of your mat. Press both hips down towards the floor and find some length in the spine. Low lunge can be very good for increasing balance and coordination. and promoting cardiovascular health. Tuck the back toes underneath and send your left leg back to meet your right for downward facing dog. It's our last downward facing dog of the practice. Press the heels down towards the mat and extend the tailbone up towards the sky. Bring the knees down to the mat and come into a seated position with the legs crossed. Close your eyes or lower your gaze and bring your attention back to your breath. Feel your body relaxing with each breath, letting go of any tension, allowing your muscles to soften. Focus on the gentle rhythm of your breath. Inhale calm, exhale stress. Now take one more deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this peace with you. Thank you so much for taking class with me today. I was filming in Lotus Root Yoga Studio, located in Ripon, Wisconsin. If you're interested in taking a class there, the information is down in the description box below. Peace be with you.